Hi, good morning. This is Daniel Santa Cruz from Clos Montblanc winery. We are in a huge extension of Tempranillo, and from this Tempranillo we produce two wines, Clos Montblanc Tempranillo and Clos Montblanc Castell Rosat. Here the extension is huge, as I was telling you. The performance is about 5,000 kilos per hectare. The soils are calcareous and clayey, and we produce those two wines. This one has Tempranillo and this one has Tempranillo, Trepat and Pinot Noir. Tempranillo has aromas of red fruit like cranberry, raspberry, blueberry. For the rosé, it's a wine that has taste of cranberry and apple with candied notes, and is also very refreshing. I hope you enjoy them.